Hey guys, so today's video is going to be part 2 of the lipstick makeup collection video. I had so much, and I don't know why. I don't wear lipsticks that much, but I have so much, I'm gonna probably put this in 2 parts. So if I do, you are watching part 2 now. Today is just the rest of the lipsticks and lip products that I did not mention in my last video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah. Okay, so I have this drawer that has a ton of makeup or lipstick in it. My part 1 video, I showed you guys the lip stuff that was in here, and that was just in a drawer. And then I have like a few more lip products. I'm going to show you these. This video shouldn't be too long, but it always could be. But this video, I'm going to show you I have these, and I have some other ones that were just in the drawer, and I have some other ones in that drawer, and then some up there. So and some over here. Oh my gosh, why do I have so much? Okay, so I have 2 of these L'Oreal things. I threw away a lot before, but these are the 2 I kept. I don't think they make these anymore. I honestly don't know, but this one is in 75. It is a darker shade, and this one's in 100, which is a nuder shade, this one is my favorite. So it comes with like this part, which is the lipstick, and then like the part 2, which is like a lip balm almost. I don't really get the purpose of these things, but whatever. So I have those 2. And then I wasn't gonna mention this, but I have this Urban Decay Gwen Stefani lipstick thing, and it came with 4 of the lipstick shades she has. And my favorite is the Ex-Girlfriend and the 714, which are these 2 shades. They're my favorite shades, and I wish they would come back out and release these lipsticks again because I love the formula. They are my favorite by far, and I don't even have the full-size version of that, so that sucks. But I then have a Ciate Liquid Velvet lipstick in Pin Up, which is just this shade. I'm really great at explaining shades, as you can see. I have this Ulta Beauty Matte lipstick in Petal. It's kind of like a purple tone type of lipstick. It smells like crayons. Oh my gosh. The smell is not great on this, so. I then have this, I think this is Revlon, and this is in a rose shimmer. It looks like this. I have this CoverGirl lipstick in 390, which is Sweetheart, and it's just a pink like shimmer again. A lot of these shades are like the exact same. Then I have this Ulta lipstick in Mauve Me, which is just like a really pretty mauve shade, which I actually really like this shade. Then I have 3 of these baby lip things. Okay, so I actually had 2 of these e.l.f. things, but I lost one, which is really sad because it was my favorite one and I lost it. But this one's the e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick in Cheeky, and it looks like this. I actually really like this shade, and I really like the formula. I really like this black sleek packaging. I then have this e.l.f. lip exfoliating, which this one is in Cherry Tart. I like this one when I first got it, but it really does not do anything now. Probably because it's old. I have the Tarte Wonder Lip Cream in a shade. I don't know what shade this is, but it's kind of like a red shade, which with a pink-ish type of undertone. It's like a pencil type thing. I then have 2 of these tiny Wet n Wild lipsticks that came in like a set. There's a pink and a red. I then have this lipstick that came in an Ipsy bag, and it's from Noah Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Current News. And it's a really dark, like vampy purple shade, which I actually really like. I haven't used this just because I personally don't think those types of shades look good on me, but if I ever were to wear one, I would probably wear that. I then have the Ultra Hydration Color Lip Balm from Forever 21. I have some more chopsticks. And then I have 2 Tartiste lip paints. And this one is in Rose, or Rosé. And it's I love this shade. I love the formula of these. Definitely recommend getting these. These were just in Ipsy bags, but you can get the full sized, of course. And this one's in Birthday Suit. This one was actually part of the Sephora birthday thing a year ago or 2 years ago. Okay, so those are the lipsticks that I have that were in this thing. I have the Estee Lauder High Gloss Plump in Opal Plump. I love this. This is my favorite thing. It smells amazing and it makes your lips look amazing. Definitely recommend getting this if they still make this. I hope they do because I would totally spend like a lot of money on that. I then have another thing. This is a Forever 21 Love and Beauty thing. This is just like a nude cream lipstick type of thing. I like this. I use it. It's a little like orange tint almost, but not like orange. I don't know. I don't know how to explain the color. I then have this Lord and Berry crayon lipstick in Max and Matte, which I actually really like this. The formula is really good. And then I have the NYX Ombre Lip Duo in Ginger and Nutmeg. It comes with 2 different shades and it's just like a lip liner thing. It's for ombre lips. It's actually really cool. I really like the color. And then I have a few lip liners that I just want to go through. So I have the Bronx Colors lip liner in a color. Don't know the shade. I use this actually a lot. It's like a really good shade for like any lipstick. That's kind of why I buy that. I then have 3 Essence soft contouring lip liners in, I have Going Steady. This is Under My Skin. And then I have Melt Your Heart, which are these shades. This is like a red shade. I really like these lip liners. I then have the Morphe lip liner to go with this lipstick. I then have a Revlon Color Stay lip liner in Nude. And this is my favorite lip liner ever. But I'm all out, so I need to buy another one for that. Then I have an Ofra lip liner in Silk. I love this shade. I love this lip liner. I'm definitely going to buy more Ofra lip liners. Then I have the NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral, which I do really like this. It is a lot darker than this shade, which kind of makes me a little mad because I bought it because it looked like a shade of a lip liner that I absolutely love, but I ran out. But it's way darker than what I thought it was, but oh well. So that's all the lipsticks in that thing. And now let's move on to these things. So these lipsticks that I'm about to show you are like my nicer lipsticks, or like nicer looking. So I keep them, I have like a lipstick holder thing. And then I keep a few just in a drawer that's like my nicer lipsticks instead of like over in this drawer that's not mine as nice lipsticks. I don't know why I do that, but I do. I'm going to start with the ones that I like put in my lipstick holder, and I have 3 Anastasia lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, which I really love these. These came all in a set together. This is Bittersweet, and then Dazed and Hudson. I really love these lipsticks. The formula is amazing. Definitely recommend you guys trying Anastasia liquid lipsticks. I have 2 Melt lipsticks. And I got these at the Fame Expo. I don't know how much these originally are. I got them for like a few dollars cheaper. These are both Ultra Matte lipsticks. I have Mural and Nude. The Nude one is my favorite. I love this. And then this is a Mural. It looks kind of orange, but I figured I could mix it in with something else. But the Nude one is my favorite. It looks amazing. I have 6 MAC lipsticks, which I keep in there because they look really pretty when it's like that. They're the bullet-like lipsticks. I have Amplified, which is a red orangish type shade. I then have Impassioned, which is a very pink shade. Don't know why I have that. I then have Satin. I don't know what kind of color this is, but it's actually a pretty color. I then have the color Real Doll, which is a very pink, like Barbie. This is like really Barbie pink. Then I have this pink something. I don't know what the name is, but it's like a nude pink, which I actually really like this color. And then I have another Amplified one, but those are the 6 MAC lipsticks that I have. And then I have 2 just like random ones. I have a Mellow Cosmetics matte lipstick in Nude, and it's like this really pretty like purple nude shade. I love this packaging. Like, look, it's so pretty. And then I have a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Christmas Cookie. I really like this packaging. It's really pretty. I like the formula. I definitely would buy more of these. I got it in the award show bag, so I don't know how much these are, but I definitely would buy some. I then have a Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick. This is in Hopeless Romantic. I actually really like the shade. This is the only Too Faced like lipstick that I have, just because like high-end lipstick is so expensive. And I don't know why it's so expensive, but it is. so I don't buy too much of it. But I then have 3 of these AOA Studio ones, which I just got these in the mail. And I wasn't gonna get them, but I decided just to try them out because I want to do a video of like cheaper makeup. So I figured these would be nice to have. And I also heard pretty good things about it because these are only like $1. So this one is Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in Fleek. And it's this like really brown nude shade. And then I got this one in Obsessed, which is a matte liquid lipstick. And it's a really pretty red shade. And then I have this Diamond Lip Gloss in Posh. I have 3 things named Posh. That's funny. I've not opened this, so I don't know how I like it, but I'm going to open that soon. And then the last 3 lipsticks I have, which are my favorite, are these Dose of Color ones. I have 2 matte liquid lipsticks, and this one is in Los Angeles. And this is like a red shade. It's actually really pretty. And then this one is Bear With Me, and it's like a nude shade. And then I have a lip gloss, which is just my type, which is a pretty like pink nude, like everyday type of shade. And that is actually all the lipstick I have. Just kidding, it's not. Okay, so I'm almost done, but the last thing of lipstick I have is in this thing that's just sitting on my desk. And this is all ColourPop lipstick, so just keep that in mind when I'm telling you guys. So I have quite a few, and I don't know why, because I honestly don't use these that much just because the shades are just kind of weird for me. I have a ColourPop Lippy Stick, and this one is in Fab 5, and it is this. I actually had, so this one is a ColourPop Lippy Stick, which is in Fab 5, and I actually have more, so just hold on, guys. Okay, so I have several ColourPop things. These are all the ColourPop lipsticks, which I forgot I had most of these. So I have 2 ColourPop Lippy Sticks, and this one is in Fab 5, and this one is in Lumiere. This is the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights collab thing. I really like this color, actually. I just don't wear it too much. It's a little purple on me, but it's fine. I have 4, I think I have 4. There may be another one, but Ultra Satin Lips. I think this one's an Ultra Satin Lip. I could be wrong. The writing rubbed off, but this one's in Alyssa. These are mostly all the Kathleen Lights collab. This one is in Point Zero, and this one is in November. And then I have one in Frickin' Frack. And then I have, I have another satin one, which is in Magic Wand. I actually didn't even know I had that one. I then have, I guess, 2 matte, ultra matte lips, which is in Take 5 and Beeper. Okay, I have 1 ultra metallic lip, which I put on once, and I took it right off because I did not like it. But it is in Flitter, which it's really pretty. Just, I realized metallic lipsticks are not for me. I then have 3 glossy ones. I have a Aquarius, and then 925. And then this one is a collab, and it's in the shade Curvy. It is a ultra lip gloss. Okay, that is all the lipsticks I have. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, even though it was kind of all over the place. Let me know if any of these were your guys' favorite lipsticks or lip glosses or lip liners. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!